Hello, I'm teacher Ivan from Wunna Educational Services. We are here for our third lesson concerning indices. So please, if you didn't watch the first two, please, it is very important that you first watch the first video on indices. Was all about the laws of indices. The second video was on how we simplify given problems using the application of laws of indices. So please, I request you that you watch the first video so that we move together. Otherwise, our second question says evaluate each of the following, and the first part is 81 power negative 3 over 4. So we shall see how we evaluate this without using mathematical tables or calculator, but simplifying and applying the laws of indices. However, before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to all our YouTube channels. Go to our homepage, you'll find those featured channels. Subscribe to them so that we have a lot of learning together and we enjoy together. Hit the bell so that you get notified whenever we have any update for you. We have Facebook pages and groups where we post revision questionnaires, revision notes, we call out discussions. We have TikTok account where we post lessons and some important academic information for you. We have Twitter, we have Instagram, we have WhatsApp groups. So please check on us so that we learn together and enjoy together. So we are to evaluate 81 power negative 3 over 4. The first step will be to decompose 81. That is to say, we shall use the idea of prime factorization. That is 81 by 3, we get 27, by 3, we get 9, by 3, we get 3, and by 3, we get 1. That means that 81 equals to 3 powering how many times? These are 4 times. So 81 is the same as 3 power 4. After that, instead of writing 81, we shall write 3 power 4. That is to say, we have 81 powering negative 3 over 4, written as 3 power 4 power negative 3 over 4. So after decomposing 81 into its prime factors, we now deal with the powers. So we saw that among the laws of indices, we saw a law that guides us on dealing with the more than one power on the same base. We saw that when dealing with more than one power, we simply multiply those powers. Therefore, we shall have 3 power 4 times negative 3 over 4, whereby this 4 will cancel out with that, and we remain with the 3 power negative 3. So that is how we shall do that. However, we also have a law that guides us on how to deal with the negative powers, whereby this gives us 1 over 3 power 3. And we shall end up with 1 over 27. So that is how we shall evaluate the indices without using calculator or mathematical tables. In our part B, we have 27 over 8 power negative 2 over 3. So just like the first part, we shall first of all decompose the numerator and the denominator. That is to say, 27. By 3, we get 9. By 3, we get 3. Then by 3, we get 1, implying that 27 is the same as 3 power 3, since it's appearing 3 times. Then we come to 8. Still by 2 gives us 4. By 2 gives us 2. And by 2 gives us 1. Hence, giving us 8 as 2 power 3, since it is appearing 3 times. So we have first of all decomposed these figures. Now, remember we have 27 over 8 power negative 2 over 3. So we write 27 as 3 power 3. We write 8 as 2 power 3. That is to say, we shall have 3 power 3 over 2 power 3 powering negative 2 over 3. Then after that, we can open brackets, whereby we shall now multiply each figure with the power. So that is to say, this is 3 power 3 times negative 2 over 3. Then over 2 power 3 times negative 2 over 3. So the power affects both the numerator and denominator by simply multiplying by their powers. And now we can reduce this and that, so that we end up with the, shall end up with the 2 or 3 power negative 2 over 2 power negative 2. However, this is the same as 3 over 2 power a common power, which is negative 2. But we saw that when we have a negative power, this is the same as 1 over 3 over 2 power 2. That is what we get when we have a negative power. Thereby, we shall have 1 over 3 power 2 over 2 power 2, hence giving us 1 over 9 over 4, which is the same as 4 over 9. So that is our final answer on that. That has been our second number. Remember, we are still continuing with the indices. That is our third lesson. The first lesson was on the laws of indices. The second lesson was on how we simplify. And the third lesson is now on how we evaluate. So please don't miss out our fourth lesson, whereby we shall be looking for unknowns with the application of knowledge from indices. So please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, so that you get notified whenever we have a new lesson. Thank you. We meet next time.